What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm doing a video of clothing that I still need to lose some weight in order to wear. So the first item is this cute little jean dress. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, when I tried it on, I was kind of like, okay, I don't have that much to lose, but I'm still not at a comfortable weight that I feel that I can pull it off quite yet. But I was shocked because the first time I tried this bad boy on, when I first bought it, it did not look like that, okay, guys? It did not look like that. And all these items that you're going to see, except for one, I got from Goodwill. Okay, this is the next item. This is actually a small, and I was shocked that I could even put it on my body. How about that? But even though it somewhat looked doable, I think the waist is too high. It's not sitting where it needs to fall, in my opinion. But it looks somewhat decent on, but once again, now I need to lose me some lbs before I go out in them streets in this outfit, okay, guys? But I can't wait because I love it. I think it's so cute. Okay, now we have this item. You already know I love my jumpsuits. But this one I bought, and I really like the colors, and I like the material because it's lightweight. But baby, Now, it looks a lot better now on than when I first purchased it. But baby, them hips and that good. It needs to go down a lot more. And yeah. But I like this outfit. I know I love my jumpsuits. Okay, last but not least is this cute dress. Now, I did not purchase this from Goodwill, but I did purchase this from an online influencer. She used to do YouTube videos, and she was selling some of her clothes, and I thought this dress was so freaking cute. Now, it has a lining in it, and yeah, I've been trying to fit in this dress forever. Look at them pockets, yeah. But baby, this dress it's a lot better. I'm not gonna lie. And when I finally fit in this dress, I'm gonna do the big reveal to show y'all when I first purchased it to when it actually fit. Y'all gonna be like, what the heck? So the picture y'all seeing now, it don't got nothing on when I first tried it on. So I'm very impressed with myself, and I know I still have a ways to go, but this is my ultimate goal dress. It has no stretch, it has no give. So baby, you have to be able to fit it. And it's a H&M dress, and it's a size 14, but baby, where is a 14 for the Europeans maybe? But baby, these hips and these thighs and this gut said, what's up? Because it ain't happening. But I really, really like this dress. So this is my ultimate goal, getting in dress. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video.